First of all, when you start freezing, is usually because there is some kind of a disconnection between who you think you are, what you think your abilities are, and what you think they are going to want and expect from you. Okay, so there is a mismatch in expectations and in identity. That is where the problem is. So it's not so much the how to, because we really kind of know what we should do, right? We know we need to start a conversation. We know we sit down. We know where to find them. We kind of have an idea. We know what we are supposed to do, but we just don't do that. Why? Because there's mismatch, misalignments in who you think you are, your self identity, and the expectation you think the others are having from you. Now, how do you overcome this? First and foremost, let's start by self identity. Okay, your self identity.